look at this. I'm always trying to find epic spots for my vlogs, and this isn't a bad place to be on a Tuesday night. Look at this landscape. We are on Dartmoor, right in the heart of Dartmoor National Park. Look at the sky tonight, it's just absolutely amazing. The sun has just gone down, but it's absolutely epic tonight. There's just a little bit of cloud around. I can see right across the moors, and I can see the transmitter station at Princetown right in the distance that way. It's a fair way away that way. It's just like a little needle poking up. You start to see the red lights on him in a minute when he gets a bit dimmed here. But yeah, so I've come up to this epic place, and just to tell you guys the fact that the inevitable kind of happened with my motorhome. Can you actually see me? It's a little bit probably dark behind me, but I am here. But anyway, yeah, so the inevitable happened. I had a phone call from Fiat, and they said the parts have arrived for your motorhome, Joff, and I'm kind of like, oh my goodness me. That is just incredible, and they rushed it on into the workshop, and I'm like, I just can't believe what's happening. But anyway, I just thought to myself, I've been like smiling all day because I knew this was almost going to like happen, and yeah. But anyway, nothing is going to change at the moment. You know what we've done. We've got the flights booked to fly to Alicante that way next Tuesday, and hopefully, I was just sort of thinking earlier on that the fact is, basically, it's Tuesday night, I'm on the Dartmoor National Park, and hopefully this time next Tuesday we're going to be probably on the coast of the Mediterranean in somewhere like, probably I'm thinking about Mojaca for that first night from Alicante down the coast. We will be heading on down the coast to, where are we going? We're going down to Almeria, we're going to head on down to Malaga, Benalmádena, and we're going to have a little rip round, and then on the way back we're going to make a little return visit to one of our favourite little gaffs, Benidorm. So we've actually got a hotel booked in Benidorm for 3 nights on the return, and then we'll be running back to Alicante and catching the plane home. But so I'm really stoked for it. Yeah, it's going to make a real kind of change for us to get like a road trip like that again. We used to sort of do that kind of thing, but yeah, so we're stoked for it, and yeah, really looking forward to it. So Tuesday night on Dartmoor, and hopefully 1 week today we are going to go and be on the Mediterranean. That is just going to be the maddest thing, absolutely mad. So I'm going to leave you with epic views across Dartmoor, and basically I'm going to get back and try and rip this video super fast. It's approximately about 6:45 on Tuesday night now, so I'll see what I can do. Oh, there's some where they've been having some fires up here by the look of it. I might just pop out and have a look. Let's go and have a look. Joff is always getting distracted. So yeah, 6:45, and I'm just going to just have a quick look and see these burnt patches out on the moors. It's probably where they've just been burning off the bracken, probably controlled fires. There's a big patch over that way, there's a patch there. But yeah, look at this sky tonight. Wow, what a place to be. Look at this. That's incredible. Whoa. Right, I think it's pretty chilly. My hands are pretty chilly, to be fair. So I think I'm going to head back and try and actually rip this video. So hopefully, what time is it now? 6:45, and I'm going to try and get this video out by about, hopefully about 9 o'clock, if we can cram it together mighty quick. But I need to get back and get some coffee, and my hands are so cold. But look at this sky. Leave you with them views.